Hey.
Ano ka bantak de?
Oi. Yo.
Manamang loin ba? Papaterya ko yan rita.
Check it out.
Hello makumper, hello Zohnahthlak, manisisinga.
You say you will come, you are not coming.
Awmte, batele parva, anpinga awmte.
Why are you telling a lie, my baby?
Rosepar arimanhik tanonge pasal siya komin.
It is writing clearly in your face.
I see you from the window. You are with one guy. I am very sure that I see you clearly also. You say to me many things tentatively and simultaneously. It is not simply you say also. You are not fertile to me now, okay?
Now also you are laughing. You are not so serious. I feel that it is not nice and you love me not now, I think. You are far away from me. Many mountains are staying, not 2 or 3 kilometers only also. My eyes cannot see the place.
Come to me, you say, is it not? But where are you, my honey? It is your house is also locked with the help of phalna, okay? Vehicles you have many, you say, but only cycle so I see. Pocket pipe also not have. You are rich in your mouth only, I think.
You say you are my stomach. You say you are my leg. You say you are my teeth. But it is you are telling a lie only. I don't drink wine also. I don't drink beer also. I don't drink grape juice also. But you can drink all, is it not?
Every rose have a thorn. It is you are the thorn. People say that you are good, but you are not good to me also. Hey. Yo, yes. Check it out. Check it out. Check. Yo, baby, check it out.
Hello makumper, hello Zohnahthlak, manisisinga.
You say you will come, you are not coming.
Awmte, batele parva, anpinga awmte.
Why are you telling a lie, my baby?
Rosepar arimanhik tanonge pasal siya komin.
It is writing clearly in your face.
Life is blind, people say. Blind person also have and they cannot see things clearly. But I am not blind, you all care. Table and chair also have legs. I cannot study gently. I miss you now and then, but you are not cooperative to me now. I cannot sleep nicely here and there.
Night also just like day, okay? Sing a song to me, no? You are my lullaby by now, I think. My shoes are also not good. My phone also black and white. But your phone is blackberry. As I feel side to you now, no?
You are standing naked in my face. You say do me to me. But I cannot do you also, because my mother is not allowed, okay? Why do you betray like that? As my heart is breaking, come and repair my heart. Don't try to be something, okay?
Minna, somebody dinna, somebody bara, politita, tita, Lemente, batele parva, anpinga awmte, boyo di feeling alive.
Rosepar arimanhik tanonge pasal siya komin. Valbung, Valsek, Valtoy. Don't call me like that.